Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Code Mafians. Today is the first video of intermediate SQL series, and in this video we are gonna cover union and union all set operators and how we are going to use them in our SQL queries. So without further ado, let's get started. So union is basically used to combine two data tables, and it will return only the unique set of records from both tables. So if we select everything from our dummy data sheet 1, that is our table 1, and everything from dummy data sheet 2, that is table 2, and combine these two tables with the use of union, then they will return the records that are unique in both tables. So it is basically combining both tables and eliminating the records that are duplicate. So we can see here that dummy data sheet 1 has these records and dummy data sheet 2 has these records, and in our final query results we can see the output that it has eliminated any duplicate values and has displayed only those values that are unique. Now we are going to see the use of union all operator, and we will copy the same query that we have used previously, and now we'll paste it over here, and we will insert union all instead of union, and then we'll run the query. You can see that it has displayed all the records in both the tables, and it has not eliminated any duplicate records, which means we can see the repeated data in this output. You can see that in dummy data sheet 1 we have the records, and in dummy data sheet 2 we have these records. In our output file we can see all the records that are present in dummy data sheet 1 and dummy data sheet 2. So the basic difference here is that union will display only the unique records, and union all will display all the records and will not eliminate any duplicate records.